Omarie, what Mazda would you recommend for first-time buyers?
Well, I believe that the Mazda 3 is an ideal vehicle for a first-time buyer based on the price point. Also, it's not too much power in terms of the engine size. It's a 1.5 litre 6-speed transmission system, so it has sufficient pep, but not too much to over-exhaust a first-time buyer. So Chelsea, as a first-time buyer, you know, some customers may have some difficulties with regards to proceeding with financing. What options does CFC have in order to overcome said obstacles?
I like that you asked that question. In fact, when I was buying my first vehicle, it was very challenging. So I understand, especially for, I would say, the younger generation. There is a lot of challenges. One of the things that we do is we have different options for them in terms of financing, where they could have a guarantor, they could come on with somebody, and if it is that they have more than one form of income, we would accept information for all of that as well. Once they could prove it, they are very much going to be qualified to get a loan, and we are going to go through every step of the process with them. We're not just going to send them an email and leave them in the wind. We will go through everything with them step by step and cater for them in terms of what they want and what they need. So Omarie mentioned the Mazda 3 as an ideal vehicle for first-time buyers, but what specifically do you like about it? What's the standout features?
Now, Chelsea, I'm not sure if you're aware, but a lot of the sedans within the market are fading out at present. However, the Mazda 3 is one of the only sedans that is able to withstand the test of time. It has a lot of different features and specs. I personally love the heads-up display, which is more so like a safety feature. You wouldn't have to look down at the speedometer to see how fast or quickly you're going on the road. You'll just see a digital representation on the windscreen representing same. I also like the blind spot monitoring, which is what I'm looking at right now. Once a car is approaching, you don't necessarily have to look in your rearview mirror to be indicated of same. You will hear like a beep, and you will see the icon representing on the mirror.
Oh, okay. That's pretty cool.
Now, Chelsea, I have a really cool story to share with regards to the service that CFC offers.
Okay.
I personally had a customer who she reached out to one of our local commercial banks, and she was so enthusiastic about purchasing her first vehicle. She wanted to be a Mazda girlie, as she often told me. And she submitted all the documents to the commercial bank, and her application was denied. Unfortunately, it was declined. And within that same day, I took the same documents and sent it to CFC and was able to get a same-day approval, which is insane.
What?
Usually banks take 2 to 3 days to approve an application. I got it within 1 day at CFC.
That is really good.
Yeah,
I
really
am
cool.
Sure that she was very happy.
She was really happy. I actually have a video with a reaction after that she sent for me to post, so I'll be posting that on my page soon as well.
I look forward to seeing that, and I'm so glad it was her first time buying, and CFC made the experience really good for her. I'm happy.
For sure.